Welcome to NIOP Chemistry. Hello, good morning students. How are you? I hope you are all fine at home. Please stay tuned to this channel and watch this program till end of this video. And whatever the points I am going to mention, please try to note down in your notebook. Be ready with your notebook and pen. At the end of this video, I'll put some more key points which will help you to understand further in depth of the topic what we are going to. Okay, students, before starting today's topic, let me show you some pictures. Try to find out the solutions for the questions that I'm going to put in front of you. Okay, students, here let me show you some pictures. Try to identify the type of phenomena that was shown in these pictures. And also try to answer the question that I am going to ask concerning these phenomena. Here some pictures that are scrolling on the screen. One by one picture, observe carefully the phenomena taking place in nature. Okay, one by one scrolling here the pictures. Okay, here my question is that what kind of matter is causing of this phenomena? This is my first question. And do we notice this type of phenomena throughout a year? Why can't we notice this type of phenomena throughout a year? And we notice only in a particular season. In which season we notice this type of phenomena? Okay, let me show you another picture. Here it is the picture. In this picture, a mother, she was advising her two daughters to carry an umbrella along with them while they were getting ready to go to school. And one of the daughters said to her mother, why it is needed to carry this umbrella along with us as it was no rain? The mother said, it's cloudy and windy, likely to rain. Then these two children looked one another and they wondered of the saying of their mother. Why do we get rains? How the clouds are formed? Or all the clouds that are formed in nature are causing of rain? Why we are getting the rains in a particular season? Or all the clouds are causing rain? And why some of the clouds are not causing rains? This is a very hot summer and many clouds we are noticing in the sky. Even there was no rain. What is the reason? Are you able to guess answers for this type of questions? Okay, here let us clarify one by one questions. What kind of matter actually causing of the formation of this type of phenomena? For that answer is water. And in which state water is present in the sky so that it is causing of the formation of such a type of clouds, and further it causes of the phenomena taking place. And here you need to know about different states of water. It will help you to understand the phenomena that are taking place in atmospheric air. Mainly here water existed in three different states. One is solid state, another one is liquid state, third one is gaseous state. Okay, let me start here with the solid form of the substance. Solid form of the substance, which is an ice. Only the case of water we are using the word ice. Don't try to use ice for all kinds of substances in their solid form. Here only water we notice in its solid state when its temperature is about 0 or below 0 degrees Celsius. How can we prepare ice? Is it possible for us to prepare ice? No doubt of it. We can prepare this ice. Take some quantity of water and keep it in deep freeze. In this deep freeze, the temperature may be below 0 degree Celsius. Then it will help these particles to come to rest position so that they attain a state. In that state, the particles are not moving and they fix it to their position, and we call it as an ice. The state of the substance is known as solid. And from this solid state, it is possible for us to get liquid state of the matter. In this liquid state of the matter, particles are able to move freely throughout the substance, throughout the volume of that substance only, and they are sliding over one another. And from this solid state, it is possible for us to get liquid state of the matter. In this liquid state of the matter, particles are able to move freely throughout the substance, throughout the volume of that substance only, and they are sliding over one another. Substance of water, the liquid state of the water, we notice in many sources of water like oceans, seas, rivers, and wells. Even underground water also present. In liquid form of the water we notice in these areas. This liquid state of water, further if we heat, if we boil this water, it will further convert into vapor state, gaseous form of the water. And this gaseous form of the matter cannot be holded into an open container, and it always moves in different directions, even in upward direction. So when that vapors are raised in upward direction, they enter into the sky, in atmosphere, and they mix up with the atmospheric air. When these vapors mixed up with the air, and already the air is in motion, it is moving from one place to another place. So the moving air is carrying this water vapor from one place to another place. And the carrying water vapor, when it was passing through the cold regions where there was no much heat energy, and at that area this water vapors start to get slowed down their movements, and they start to come close to one another, and they combine and they start to form a tiny droplets of water. And even at that stage, tiny droplets of water slowly move from their place to another place. Here the water vapors that entered into the atmospheric air, they are carrying by the moving air, while the wind is blowing from one place to another place. That water vapors are also carrying by this air from one place to another place. In that situation, when these water vapors has to cross the cold regions, then they lose some of their energy and they become slow. It is a general example. If a person has maximum energy, he is able to do maximum work. If a person is exhausted meaning when the energy was completely spent for doing some work, no more energy is there with a person, so that he is not able to do any more work. He cannot do. There is no movement at all. Such a situation arises to a person. Even a vehicle, take a vehicle, when it has sufficient fuel substance, maybe it is diesel or petrol, when it has sufficient amount of fuel substance, then only it will work. Once if this fuel substance has completed, it is not possible for this vehicle to move further. Reason? There was no energy. Likewise, in these water vapors, while they are moving through a cold region, they lose some of their heat energy to that cold region, surroundings. Then those water vapor particles become slow. They are not able to move further. Then they slowly come close to each other and they form tiny water droplets. After the formation of these tiny water droplets, they start to move slowly, very slowly, and if they find somewhat more cold regions, then they completely lose their energy and they form bigger water droplets, which cannot be carried by this water, which cannot be carried by this air, so that this air leaves that water droplets onto this earth. So we are calling that as rain. This is the actual process involved in the raining, how the clouds are forming and how these droplets are leaving to the earth. Sometimes if the formed water droplets are moved some more or somewhat into the colder region, there they solidifies into some pieces of, solid pieces of ice, and these ice cubes again they fall onto this earth, that we call as hailstones. If it is not raining, or if it is not forming like that hailstones, then sometimes it will remain in atmosphere as water vapors and solidifies, and it will fall down to the earth as snow. Okay, these are the three different ways of the matter of water that is present in atmospheric air and reaches the earth. So here my question is that how does the rain water reaches the earth? In three different ways is possible for that rainwater to reaches the earth. One is in the form of rain, another one is in the form of hailstones, and the third one is snow. This snow mainly we notice in the season of winter. I think you people all are familiar with this snow. during severe winter season we can notice this kind of snow. Okay students, this is about rain and different forms